Hello everyone! Welcome back! I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the brightness slider is missing or not available in Windows 10. Let's get started and resolve this problem step by step. Step 1. Add the brightness slider. First, click on the notification area at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on any blank space and select the Edit option. Next, click on Add and you'll see an option for brightness. Select it, and the brightness slider will now appear. Click Done to save the changes. You can now adjust your screen brightness easily. If this doesn't work or the slider still doesn't appear, move on to the next step. Step 2. Check the Display Enhancement service. Open Windows Services by clicking the Windows icon, then typing Services in the search bar. Click on the result to open the Services window. Look for the service called Display Enhancement Service. Once found, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply. Next, stop the service by clicking Stop, and then restart it by clicking Start. Finally, click OK and close the window. Check if the brightness slider is now available or working. Step 3. Reinstall the monitor driver. If the problem persists, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Windows icon and selecting Device Manager. Expand the Monitor section to view your monitor driver. Right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall. After the driver is uninstalled, click the Scan for Hardware Changes icon at the top of the Device Manager window. This will reinstall your monitor driver automatically. Check if the brightness slider works now. Step 4. Update the monitor driver. If reinstalling the driver doesn't help, try updating it. Right-click on the monitor driver in Device Manager. Select Update Driver, then click Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the latest driver available and click Next to install it. Once the installation is complete, check if the brightness slider issue is resolved. Step 5. Update Windows. As a final step, ensure your operating system is up to date. Click on the Windows icon, go to Settings, then navigate to Update and Security. Click on Check for Updates, and Windows will search for and install any missing updates or drivers. Updating your system can often resolve issues like this, as it ensures all drivers and services are current. These are the steps you can follow to fix the missing brightness slider on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and comment as well. Thank you for watching and have a great day.